Today I'm going to show you how to make an outside library book stand. For attaching your top rail, you want to cut to your finished length, add wood glue, then pre-drill and add your screws into side 1 and side 2. Now for the top, you want to cut your angle first. You want to do it the exact same way that you did to your back piece, only difference, it'll just be a different angle. And because this piece of wood doesn't come in the finish width all the way, so you have to add a small piece of trim along the end, which I've done so, added wood glue and put in nails going in this way. Now for attaching your actual top, just add some wood glue around the side 1 and side 2 and the middle piece at the front and back and attach it with an 18 gauge nailer. I went ahead already and cut everything to the finished width and length for the door. Now we're ready to assemble it together. Just have my last screw to put in. I I used some wood plugs to cover all the holes, sanded everything down. Now you want to take your caulking and make sure you cover all your joints so it's nice and watertight sealed. For installing the door, you want to use some shims on each side, top and bottom, to give you a little bit space around so you got enough movement to open and close the door. Also, you want to keep in mind when you are making your door, you can follow my plans that I will provide for free. Depending on what type of hinges you use, you want to make sure it is wide enough so you've got enough space to install them. Also for your latch, same concept as applies. And to open it up, as you can see here, you got quite a lot of storage for books to put in. For the plexiglass, I just cut it and sanded to size that I need to for the corners. I did not glue this in, as you can see right now, or I guess I should say more silicone it in. The client that I made it for, they are going to paint it, and I figured it would be a lot easier to paint it, and then they will install it after they are done painting it. So I sanded everything all completely down with about, I think it's about 150 grit I used just to make sure everything is nice and smooth, and made sure all the edges were all smooth as well. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.